Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video only here on Help Guys. So for today, I'm going to show you how you can edit videos using YouTube Studio. So very quickly, just go to content. If you have an uploaded video, you need to have an uploaded video before you can do this. So just click on the video that you want to edit, select on editor, just click on get started, and then automatically this will enable a bunch of features that allows you to edit your video. So here you have trim and cut, you also have blur, you can also edit the audio. So there are a lot of features that you can play with here. At the same time, this is where you can also edit the details of your video. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out in editing your next video projects on YouTube. If we did, please do hit, of course, the like and subscribe button and follow us or subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this, only here on Telculp Guy.